Please take a look at this picture. Gigantic Abe is walking around the city. Is there a way to save the guy who lost his memory as a human?
早く帰ってきて。
But wait, he's holding something. We can't see from a view. What is that?